Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install GitLab CE on Ubuntu 22.04. First of all, start the installation by ensuring your system is updated. Next, install GitLab dependencies by the following command. Next, install the dependency packages required. The GitLab package is not included in the Ubuntu default repository, so you will need to add the GitLab official repository to your system. You can download and add the following script to the GitLab repository. The repository contents are added to as the following. Once the repository has been added, install GitLab CE using the apt package manager command. You can see the following output. Edit the GitLab configuration file to set the host name and other parameters. Replace the following URL with a valid domain or IP address for the GitLab server. When done, start your GitLab instance by running the following command. Now, all GitLab services should be started after configuration. After configuration, a password for the root user is randomly generated and stored for 24 hours. You can check the password with the following command. Once the installation of GitLab CE on Ubuntu is done, open the following URL on your browser to finish the installation of GitLab. Use the password with username root to log in. The GitLab dashboard should look like the following. Next, go to the root user profile, and select Preferences. In the password section, you can change your password as follows. To check the status of all GitLab services, use the following command. To stop all GitLab services, use the following command. To restart all GitLab services, use the following command. You can restart a specific service by providing the service name at the end. Congratulations! You have successfully installed GitLab CE on Ubuntu 22.04. You can now start using GitLab in your development environment.